paper plane, not like a frisbee or baseball, like a paper plane. Please make sure you
paper
throw it nice
plane.
and straight, and
Is it
please
the
flip
same
your
as
wrist to
running
give it a
baseball?
spin. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna do a demonstration. Can you please give me some room?
Okay.
Can everybody see? That's good. It's something like.
What do you mean a paper plane?
Yeah. You guys scared now?
No.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you some practice rounds. Like I said, please wait until I say throw. Okay.
No,
Here we
yeah,
go.
just go.
Round one in 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, you gotta pick up your shurikens. You can pick up your shurikens. Good job.
Why didn't they throw it? Why didn't they throw it?
Here we go. Round two, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go! Wait. Okay, you guys can pick up your shurikens. You can pick up your shurikens.
Hey, Vanya, your shuriken! Your shuriken! It's the same place!
Okay, I know you're excited, kids, but yeah, your safety is in my hands.
Who's that?
Okay?
Who's that?
Okay, here we go. Round 3, here we go. Round 3.
Careful, careful.
Okay?
You're a lefty?
Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Who's that? Who's that? Is yours?
No, I'm that one.
Okay, guys.
Is it yours?
pick up your shirt.
Did you hurt yourself?
Put your shirt back. Take a picture.
Who's that? Daddy, no. Just.
Maybe I should throw it like this.
Okay, here we go. Last round. Here we go. Last round in 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, you guys can pick up your shurikens. You can pick up your shurikens.
Daddy went straight in the middle. Daddy went straight in the middle.
No, I'll just give you one more round for the good measures, okay? One more round for the good measures. There we go.
I'm gonna hit it so.
Real last round in 3, 2, 1, go!
You missed, Daddy. I did better than all of you.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys can pick up your shurikens. You can pick up